Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today is my October 2023 Order Club tag kit. Normally I send out a card kit, but I thought I'd switch it up a little bit and make a little tag. So this one says Happy Birthday, and your kit will include a tag shape, a little piece of patterned paper that's cut to fit at the bottom of the tag. Your kit will also have a piece of shimmer trim, a ribbon, and a piece of some pretty twine, as well as your already colored little turtle. I used to color the turtle, let me see here, we have green turquoise blend, blue turquoise blend, dusty purple blend, and gold yellow blend. So I just used a combination of these colors to color the little turtle, and then I also brought in one of my faves, gold shimmer brush. The two stamp sets that I used are the Turtly Awesome. So I think I used this little guy with the little presents. I thought he was so cute. And then this is a blast from the past. This was a part of a Cricut bundle many moons ago. And these were just background texture stamps. And I'm going to take this one that's sort of dotted looking, and we're going to use that one. So let us get started. I think I'm just going to bring in a scrap piece of paper. Sorry, so noisy. It's very noisy. We're going to add that texture. The other thing I did use, sage. And I am just using this with my fingers. I'm going to stamp it onto there with my fingers and just start applying those little dots. They can overlap, it's all good. So yours will come all inked up and ready to go. I am also going to do a little bit of inking around the perimeter, and I will throw a little around the tag shape. I will say, excuse me while I grab this. I think I have it over here. Oh, good golly, there it is. I'm here. Sorry about that. I had to go find this. This is from the Buildable Tags from Close to My Heart. This is from a few years ago already, but it is still available, and I can't recommend enough a good set of baseline tag dies. Come in so handy. So if you're looking for a set, maybe watch and see if they go on sale, and pick yourself up a set of those. So I've got my tag base. You'll take your little piece of pattern paper that we patterned even more, and stick on the bottom. Your piece of trim will come with that little tail there to help you get that backer off of the shimmer trim. I love shimmer trim. It should run just a hair long, so you don't have to be super precise with it. And then I'm just trimming it off, just like that. And then I will flip it over and trim this other little piece off, just to neaten that up. Your tags will come with the happy birthday already stamped, but I'll show you how I did that here. And this happy birthday is from that Turtly Awesome stamp set. Then we need a little bit of 3D foam tape. So you can pop this up if you want. I'm going to, but you don't have to. That is personal preference. And I'm going to whack it in half here and throw some on. So if you want to pop it up, you can. If you want to just leave it flat, you can leave it flat. I like to give it a little dimension, especially when I'm not mailing it. And then you just nestle it around your happy birthday. And I like to leave the little bum hanging off the edge there, just like that. We'll close up the ink so the disaster doesn't strike. You can take your, this is gray, this was a close to my heart ribbon. I don't know if it's still available, but you know, it'll come in your kit. But for those who didn't get the kit, any ribbon will do ya. I'm just laying that underneath there, and it's still even looped. I doubled it over, so it's a long string like this, and I'm doubling it. I'm gonna put it underneath my little tails of my ribbon and tie a little double knot. And before I get too crazy tightening that down, I'm going to snug that up a little bit and tighten it, and then give it another little knot. Now this side is still looped. You just take your scissors, give it a little trimmeroo, and it'll be just fine. You can trim them off even more. I leave it a little long just to give my fumble fingers a chance at tying that knot. And there you go. That is your October Order Club 2023 tag kit. I hope you like it. I think it's a lot of fun and a great way to use up those scraps of paper. Thank you so much for your orders. If you would like to subscribe, I would sure appreciate that. And give it a like, a thumbs up, you know, all the good, happy things. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.